The small classroom setting was really good. It was intimate. It gave you an opportunity to everybody communicate well, everybody to, kind of get each other's questions answered. No one stepped on each other. But the flow of the content was really good. It was educational, informative. It gave everybody a good opportunity to kind of understand the dynamics of where we needed to, kind of take, the conceptual, the start to the finished process of the marketing on social media process. Some guys that are new got to understand that a little bit better, and then some guys who thought we knew probably got educated a little bit better. I think that if I had to think about it, it's not just throwing anything out there and think that it's going to get seen, because it's not. You got to understand the process of how the ads are flowing nowadays on social media. It's not just post it and it gets seen. It's a lot of knowing how to work the system between the ads and the campaigns, and also the content. And it's a new world out there, and the millennials want to see videos. Yeah, it's cost effective, and it's some good knowledge for you to do. I mean, even if you don't go hire someone to do it, this is enough knowledge where you can try it on your own, see how it works, and then if not, then come and hire Contractor Dynamics.